Welcome to 16th Street Heights. We want to share with you our newest listing here at 1411 Buchanan Street Northwest. This circa 1910 classic bayfront row home sits on a charming street. Let's go check it out. Come on. The home has a ton of original charming details. Check out these wood floors. Parisian parquet with a detailed wood inlay. Check out this banister, handrails, the stairwell. Talk about classic details. And the homeowner, the seller, they installed these really cool modern light fixtures, like this one. I really like the crown molding you can see here in the living room and in the dining room. The kitchen's been updated, has stainless steel appliances. It's also been opened up to the dining room. You know, that little detail a lot of us are looking for. It even has this cool butler's pantry. The seller's also updated, renovated this back garden as well. So we have some new grass sod. You can see right here, there you have these pervious pavers right here. They've installed this wood fence as well. This space, you could use this for parking, even a patio. We're gonna rattle off some specs for you. The house has 4 bedrooms up with a bathroom. There's an extra half bath here on the main floor. And in the lower level, there's a certificate of occupancy for 1 bedroom and 1 bath. So that's 5 bedrooms, 2 full and 1 half baths for the home. There are 3 porches, 1 facing the front of the house and then 2 on the back. There's also bonus storage on the 3rd floor. And the house is approximately 2,500 plus square feet of livable space, sitting on a lot of 2,160 square feet. There's also a rear garden with ample parking. There you have it, 1411 Buchanan Street Northwest. Call me for the deets.